Hello guys. Here we have a MacBook. Anyway, I wanna walk through you a USB charging port faulty. In case if you have any MacBook Pro with a charging port issue, maybe let's say when you connect a USB, it doesn't read, or maybe it does read on one port but it doesn't read on the other port. So this is what you need to do. This is what you need to check. And this is a schematic. Okay, I want to show you the whole thing because it's gonna confuse you, but this is what you should be looking for on a MacBook Pro schematic, especially starting from 2011 upward, even 2010 upward. But any MacBook Pro, the schematic is almost exactly the same. It's almost exactly the same. They were using the same or similar components. Let's go ahead. So you will look for external USB connectors page. This is where you will see the USB connections. Okay, starting from the top party, we have this section of which is a USB power switch, and this chip, it's U4600. This is U4. I mean, this is U4600. It's U4. It's U4600. So what you do, you highlight that number there, U4. So when you can highlight with your mouse, and then you copy. And this is a board view. Okay, on the board view, you will have all the components there, bottom or top. So let's try to paste, and then see if we can see that component. Okay, we can't, because clearly there's something wrong with our board view, but we will use our own eyes. See, the USB ports are here on the right hand side, so most of the components near the edge here where the USB are, they will be responsible or connected with the USB. Okay, this is U4600. It's for USB. This is the same chip I was showing you on the schematic. Let's go back on the schematic. This is the same chip. This chip, what exactly it does, it's easy. It does a simple job, an easy and a simple job. Let me show you. So when the machine is not running, all right, it's off, you won't have anything here on the output. And when the machine is on sleep mode, and exactly the same, you might have the volts here on in 5 volts, but on out you will have 0 volts until the machine is running fully. Okay, until the machine on the state where it's fully running, right? So when you are diagnosing a USB port, check here. While the machine is running, you should have the 5 volts on the output on this chip. Okay, if you don't have a proper multimeter with small probes, it's easy. You can come here and check L4605. Let me zoom in. Check L4605. All right, we should have the 5 volts here. Okay, and then here, this is for data, and this is the filter they are using diodes. All right, so anything that's connected to data will go through this filters. It's more like a diode. It's a black small thing. Let me show you on the board view. Okay, there it is with 6 legs. This is a filter. Right, so if you check filters, and behind the filter you will have a conductor, and then a double inductor. You'll have this double inductor. Okay, let's go back. Let me show you double inductor. There it is. This is L4600. It's a double inductor. Okay, this is a USB 1 and the other one is USB 2. So you'll have 2 USB ports. Okay, I don't know what I did, but I was just showing you all the basic things that you need to master and understand. Anyway guys, let me just go back. All right, these are the USB ports. Okay, all these components, you will find them here on the board view as okay, and you will have to check for this section here to diagnose the USB ports. Anyway guys, this is it. I want to make those nice short simple videos. Before I go, don't forget to press and like my video if you are interested, and please don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, take care guys. I'll see you on my next video.